Good morning, everybody. Hey, last week of school. Let's finish strong. Okay, today everything's in the folder ready to go. Don't forget to answer your attendance question. There's an attendance question each day. You have to answer it all the way up to Thursday. Okay? So, attendance question. The other thing you need to do is um, you have to ask your parents if you want, and you can think about it yourself. Do you want a letter grade on your report card? And I would think most of you would want a letter grade. Or do you want a pass, no grade, a P, or an NG? If you don't tell me, I have to put a pass. And I would think the vast majority would want letter grades, especially if you're doing well. Okay, got a haircut. So I want a letter grade, Mr. Foster. I prefer pass, no grade. Most of you C or above would want a letter grade, but you got to tell me, otherwise I got to put the other one on there. Okay, so you have to tell me that. Tomorrow we have uh, a mandatory, you have to be there, student Zoom meeting Tuesday. I'm going to send that again, Infinite Campus, and I'm going to send it in a little Schoology message. So you will have those numbers too. Okay? So the last thing on Wednesday, we've got a farewell parade, 1 to 3, drive through the middle school. They have that um, available on the website. Okay? So, letter grades, make sure you're doing. This is school's in session. School's in session, boys and girls. All right. So I'm going to show you a few things. On Schoology, you go to the calendar. The calendar. You see this little calendar thing up here? You go to it. You go to Tuesday. Tuesday. Uh, and you go to final Zoom meeting, click on it, view item. You see all the things there, all the numbers. Okay, this Minnesota school trivia should not be there. Okay, attendance question, Monday language arts. Okay, some of the other stuff will show up. All right, so that's in the calendar. Okay, Infinite Campus, you got to tell me you want a letter grade. I'll also show you the map. Here's the map route coming down by the frontage road. You will see me here, and I have a special little thing that you'll probably want to go to that parade if you can. You might not be able to. And then here is the June 3rd. I might send this to you again. Please see map below. That's on the map. You got the map there. So, okay. I think that's it for now. And then we have a little activity for you, culminating in a field trip. We're going on a field trip. So I think that's it for today. I'm going to send you a Schoology message also. So if that's the instructional video, okay, message me, communicate, tell me if you want a letter grade or pass some credit. Okay, finish strong.